Good morning. Welcome to my first morning in my new apartment. Excuse the way that I sound. I literally just woke up. I woke up around 7:30 and there was like a beautiful little rainbow design in this corner. It was from a design that my sister put in her window. So I absolutely love it. It was so beautiful to wake up this morning, but I literally was up till like 1 last night, so I was very tired. So I was like, nope, I am not going to stay up. So I slept in. Right now it is 8:30 and I'm like, okay, it is time for me to wake up and get started with the day. So like I said, this is my first morning in my new apartment. It's so crazy. Last night we set up my bed. I was having a little bit of trouble. Whenever we put it in here, it was supposed to fit this way and it just would not turn the way that I needed it to. The bed frame was actually too long. Whenever my dad got home from work, he helped me and we cut my bed frame to where it actually fit perfectly in this little corner now. I just put my mattress on. I washed all my sheets so they were nice and fresh, and yeah, I had a great first night. I was so excited that I just couldn't go to sleep. Y'all, tonight is my first night that I'm going to be sleeping out of my new apartment. This is my first home away from home. You guys, like, this is so crazy and I'm so happy. It's starting to hit me, y'all. Oh my god, this is so crazy. These are happy tears, I promise. I'm just, actually my home. I can have people over. I can just I'm gonna stop now. Waking up at my own place is just so different. Like, the fact that I can even like talk right now and not worry about like waking up somebody, it's so crazy.
Okay, so one last look of my house being completely empty, except for that. But like, I have nothing out, no boxes, no couches, anything like that. Empty, empty, empty. Well, not really empty, but somewhat. Then my closet being completely empty, but yep, and then I have all these that are empty. This, I just have a few tools and stuff that I've been working with, but all that is empty. So yep, time to start moving some boxes and other stuff and you know, all that stuff in here. Okay, got my first bit here. I didn't record me doing this because it was just so heavy and so awkward, so I was just like, you know what, I'm not even gonna worry about it. All these are the drawers from my dresser that are full of clothes, which are gonna go into my closet. Okay, so I put pretty much everything that was in my bedroom in here. It's just a whole bunch of like clothes, and then just like stuff that I've collected over the years, like for my future house, which is finally here now. Oh, I'm so excited. I have like all my music stuff. So anyways, this is kind of an overview, and this is not everything. I still have like my Christmas stuff at the top of my closet and a few other things and a few more clothes in my closet that I need to bring out here. But as of right now, this'll do. I'm gonna tackle this. Decided that I'm going to take a little break and I'm about to head off to my sister's house. Oh, that's so cool to say. So I am about to just go over there and we're just going to hang out and just chill for a little bit, and we're gonna go get some loaded tea together, like a little sister date. This is so cool that I'm actually going to my sister's house. Like, I actually have to drive there. This is so cool. All right, so I will chat with you guys in a little bit and we will get back started on that whole project. But for right now, I'm just gonna go enjoy time with my sister. Okay, so I just made it back home and I got myself a little tea, a little dry one. I did get a tea with my sister earlier, but I had to stop at this other place to get my mama dry tea. So then I was just like, you know what? I might as well just get one. I actually got it for free because I got some points and I got it for free, which is awesome. But anyways, I guess I should really start attacking this. Oh boy. Okay, so this is my little collection of what I've kind of like gathered throughout the years. Like not big, but I do have some glasses so I can have like cups and stuff. This was actually a gift for Easter, so I'll probably just like put that out during the Easter time. Again, this is a gift. This was actually my grandmother's little candy bowl, so it's just kind of like little things that I've collected. And then my parents actually gave me these plates. That's not a lot, but hey, I don't really need that much. Okay, so I've been avoiding doing this. So I put all of the stuff that is not closed just in the corner over there. And I will get to that because the majority of that stuff is going to be going into these drawers, which are full of clothes right now. So this is what I've been avoiding now. I am not ready to tackle the closet, but let's do it because all of these bags and boxes and all of this right here is nothing but clothes. And I still have clothes inside that I need to bring. I have like way too many clothes. I'm going to get lost. Okay, so I just got finished organizing all this and I realized that I don't have enough room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like all the white and tan and just kind of like the aesthetic colors, and I'm going to hang those up. Okay, so I was going to just finish, but being honest, I'm kind of losing motivation. Maybe it's because I'm hungry. I haven't really ate. I didn't eat anything all day. Huh. Well, so I got like this side pretty much done, just like everything, and I hung up my robes in that corner. And then I put all of like the natural color stuff right there, and I'm gonna like hang it up. All right, here is all of my bathroom stuff. I actually kind of just stole this though. It's just like a little fake peel off mask, but they have two, so I just kind of took this one, you know, sorry family. But anyways, this is all of my stuff. I'm going to bring this out to my bathroom now. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so real quick before I go to bed for the night, my dad helped me move the big dresser in here. I'm gonna do the drawers tomorrow, and we're gonna set up the TV tonight. The glorious wonders of waiting for it to restart. Excuse all the fan noises. I am hot, so I have like a couple of fans running on me right now, but I forgot to mention that today was June 30th, and I am in bed now because I am so tired. But yeah, so I absolutely love the TV. I'm gonna do like a lot more work tomorrow, but yeah, today was a success. I got like so much done, but yeah, so thank you guys. That is the end of this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it and are enjoying like this little moving process with me. This is like a weird angle, sorry, I'm like laying down in bed. But yeah, I really hope that y'all are enjoying this, so thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye guys!